We'll demonstrate threaded running stitch. It's same as whipped running stitch. Need to stitch a dashed line as foundation, then thread through. First, come up at far right of line segment. Take down at left of small segment. Stitch 1 running stitch. Continue taking down at left segment. Following running stitch method. Complete this entire line. When stitching, note spacing. Keep stitch length consistent. This way, running stitch will be even. Take down. After stitching foundation running stitch. Can thread same way as above. I'll demonstrate with another color. This way effect will be more obvious. After stitching foundation running stitch, must knot on back first, then proceed with threading. If you don't knot. When stitching, running stitch may pull out. We start from right segment. Come up at middle position above segment. Thread needle under second running stitch. Note: only thread, not fabric. Don't take needle into fabric. Just gently thread through lower thread. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a curve like this. If you prefer longer threads, you can pull slightly longer. Want shorter threads, pull shorter. But don't pull too short. At least leave some curve outside. Let me demonstrate again. After coming up under second running stitch, move needle under third running stitch. Push needle upward, pull thread. Also, only thread, not fabric. Pull thread to similar curve as before. If worried about accidentally pulling all the way, you can gently hold it down with finger. This way it won't move too much. Creating a twisted thread texture. Final stitch. No need to thread through. Directly take down at middle above last segment. Use needle to adjust slightly. Stitching this requires patience, because if not careful, we'll pull entire thread tight, then won't form twisted thread shape. So threading must be slow. This stitch, perfect for edging or outline tracing, can create twisted and exaggerated effects. After stitching, knot on back. Let's see the overall finished effect.